So you want to make paella? Good on you. Here's how you do it.
First up, you'll need some ingredients. Here's a list of what you will need for this paella, which serves 5.
Now that you've got your ingredients, you'll need to prep your food. Start by cutting up your onions, chorizo, garlic and pepper. Make sure you dice them into small pieces.
Have you done that yet? Cool. Right. Now you will need to measure out your paella rice. Next, get a large saucepan and add a bit of oil to cover the surface. You then add the onions and after a few minutes, you add the chopped up garlic.
Let that fry off for a bit, before adding your chorizo. After about 3 or 4 minutes, add the thyme and paella rice.
Now you need to make the stock. Get one of your chicken stock and put it in a jug. Then add 500 millilitres of boiling water. You will need to do this to your other one when you run out of the first.
Slowly add small amounts of your liquid as you stir. After you've done that for about a minute, throw in your tinned tomatoes.
When the rice is nearly cooked, add the pepper.
Continue to stir for about a minute, chuck in your small prawns. You also might want to add salt and pepper for seasoning now.
Remember, do not add too much salt. Once your rice is all cooked, finally add your cheese and stir.
Well done! You have made paella!
That's right. Now you can serve up and enjoy the hopefully delicious meal that you've created.